Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect with girls only on Umingle. So with this Chrome extension, you can automatically skip male users and only connect with female users. I am only reviewing this Google Chrome extension for education purpose. So first, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Then search for Fluxora and add it to Chrome. After that, wait for the extension to finish installing. Then open the Umingle website and click on video. After that, wait for the video page to load. If it's your first time, allow access to your camera and microphone. Then open the Fluxora Chrome extension and click Open Setup. So now you can enable the option to automatically skip male users. Then you can also blur your webcam if you want. I recommend keeping webcam on because Umingle needs to detect your face. After that, open the settings section if you want to customize the options. For this video, I will leave everything at default setting. Then click Start. If you get an error like I did, it's because your face isn't visible. So once I turned my camera properly, it started connecting. As you can see, male users are automatically skipped. The extension detects male faces and skips them automatically. So that's how it works. I hope this video helped you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.